Hello YouTubers, and this is Tristan once again, the 8th video, and I got hello tubers, this is me once again. So what is your okay, hold on. Again, YouTubers, I'm gonna have to make this a short video. Again. If I get 90 likes, hold on. Okay, back. Again. It's been 11 o'clock. I've been gone because I went to California. Well, I didn't go to California, of course. I just went to my NANS and left this on, and it was charging. And yeah, so bye, YouTubers. And if you want to see something awesome, let's try to hit 6. Actually, just 2 likes. That's all I need. 2 likes. I haven't even had 1 view yet. Just so sad. And if Samantha ever watches this, I love Samantha.